Okay, it's Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. We have got two resource hives here. One of them is making a queen on this side. This side here, the queen never returned. And what we have is laying worker. So all we have is drones on this side here. Nothing but drones on this side here. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do here to get rid of the laying workers here. We're going to take all these bees. I'm going to take them over there. I'm going to shake these frames out. I'm going to shake these bees out over there. Bring the frames back. Then I'm going to swap out. I'm going to bring a frame of brood, frame of larvae over here, good frame, and then let them make a new queen. But first I have to get rid of that laying worker. And to do that, I've got to get rid of her elsewhere, and she won't be able to get back here. Worker bees will come back, they'll be fine. So let's get rid of these bees here. We'll take them frame by frame and shake them out elsewhere. Okay, you can see from these frames, there's nothing but drone on these frames. We have absolutely no eggs, no workers, nothing. Nothing but drone. Okay, now let's find some good larvae. Glue it down tight. Okay, let me find some larvae here. Not there. Well, pull that frame, get it out of the way. Okay, here we go. Good frame of brood. See if we have some. Yeah, we have larvae here. Let's just make sure we don't have a queen. We do not want to relocate the queen. Let's take a good gander at this. I don't mind relocating nurse bees. That is fine. But we do not want to relocate the queen. And I do not see her. Let's break off this burr comb. One more good look. Okay. Let's take and put this in the hive. In the resource hive. They will make a new queen out of that. And they have resources in here. They have a lot of nectar in here. Close them up a minute. And that's how you handle a hive with a laying worker. This is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. You have a fantastic day and hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please write them below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Have a fantastic day.